And I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. It's gonna bring my video quality to another level. Hi guys, it is Gabrielle Ishell here, and today I am so excited because I ordered a new camera. Long story short, I dropped my phone face down, broke it, and now I no longer have a quality camera. So I thought, why not just buy a camera now, because I was going to do it eventually. I'm so excited to share with you guys the unboxing and the initial review. I ordered it August 9th, which was a Sunday, and it came August 11th, which is a Tuesday. It came in 2 days, and it wasn't supposed to come until the following week. So I'm so excited. It came sooner than I expected. But anyway, I'll show you the clip where I was like really shocked that I got it, because I was expecting a few orders and I didn't know what it was because it wasn't really labeled where it came from. So I got it, and yeah, let's just watch the clip. I'm rambling. Got a package here. I don't know what it is. I'm expecting a few things. So it could be my camera, which I hope it is, but I don't think so because I ordered it 2 days ago. But I don't remember ordering anything else that big. Oh, whoa. It is my camera. Oh my God. I literally ordered this on Sunday. It is Tuesday. And it's here. It said it wasn't supposed to come until next week. I'm so happy. I'm so glad I recorded this. Yeah, I'm so excited. Okay, so I have a camera, obviously 2 memory cards, a camera bag. This is probably like a little cleaner. This is a filter, filter kit. It has 3 different filters here. The tripod, oh my God, a flash, the memory card, USB thing, adapter, and the camera. I cannot believe it came so soon. I'm so excited. I had videos I wanted to record that I thought I was gonna have to wait till next week because I have camera issues or phone issues. So I'm actually recording this on my iPhone 8, my work phone, instead of my iPhone 11, which I just dropped last week and completely broke. So I have this huge box here, and it has all the goodies. I got the bundle kit, obviously, if you saw the video that I just played, and it has my camera. I'm so excited. So now I just wanted to show you how I currently have my little setup going. I'm pretty sure you've seen in my previous video that I use my Apple Watch to show me what I'm seeing. So usually I'm using my back camera, and obviously I can't see myself, so I use my watch to make sure that it's in focus and it's not blurry or anything. But since that camera is broken, I'm using my front camera so I can see myself right now. But yeah, why did I choose this camera? I did a little bit of research, and first off, one of my favorite YouTubers, the Content Bug, uses this camera. So her videos are A1, and I'm like, why not? I can just use the one that she's using. Also, one of my friend YouTubers, is that how you say it? My YouTube friend, Sunshine Shah, shout out to her. She also has this camera, and her videos are A1 too. Go ahead and check her channel out. I typed in on YouTube Canon EOS M50 and looked at a couple of reviews, and then I also watched videos like after the review of them shooting on their camera and just looking at the quality of the video, and it was superb. Brother, father, and cousin are all photographers, and they know a lot about cameras. My dad and my brother are team Nikon, so there'll be a little that I got a Canon, but my cousin is team Canon. And he told me that this should be good for what I am using it for YouTube.
Oh, that old trader, Gabrielle, she knows she was raised up on a Nikon old trader herself.
So I did a lot of research and I used my personal contacts who are more knowledgeable in this area to help me make my decision. Yeah, so let's unbox this camera. Are you guys ready? Come along with me. This is obviously all the stuff that came in the box and the camera bag. Okay, are we excited? I am. Okay, so we have the neck strap here. The battery. I will probably be getting another battery because I don't want to have to wait to film on a battery. So while I'm using this battery for filming, I can be charging another one. So I will be purchasing another battery. Here is the battery charger and it has the port that you can connect it directly to your outlet. Next, we have the lens. It's so small. Look how cute it is. So it comes with obviously the protector on the back and then the lens cap on the front. Oh my God, this is so small. Like I said, my brother and my dad have cameras, so their lenses are much bigger than this. This is the 15 to 45 millimeter lens here. And then this is what you guys have been waiting for, the camera. Oh my God, it looks so much bigger in videos. It is so small. Look how cute it is. Oh my God, okay. Oh, this is so cute. I'm pretty sure the battery comes a little charged, but for now we're going to put the battery in. It's gonna be for like a few seconds anyway. It's not gonna really do much, but whatever. It comes with this little protector, I guess. So this side is protected. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the charger like so. And I'll open it and I'll plug it up. And orange means that it's charging. There is a full line here. I'm sure it will turn green when it is fully charged. So while the battery is charging, in the meantime, we'll go ahead and do things like putting the strap on. And I know how important this is. I learned this from my brother and my father. You always, if I'm actually taking a picture, I'll always have the strap on my camera. And if I wanted to carry it around, I would make sure I have the strap on so that I do not drop it, because this thing is so expensive, too expensive for me to be dropping and breaking. Like my phone that I paid $1,000 for, just broke it like it was nothing. Anyways, next we will go ahead and set up the time and date on the camera. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the camera back off to put the lens on. And twist it so it clicks, and then I could take the lens cap off. So I'm going to turn the camera back on. Oh my God, should I start recording? Yes. It is so clear, guys. We are going to switch to the Canon and at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Voila! Oh my God. So happy, guys. So this is my new camera, my new setup, and I'm so excited. The camera quality is obviously so much better than my iPhone 11. It's clear, it's crisp, and I think I can tell that I'm looking to the side. So the flip out camera goes this way. So I am clearly looking to the right side, but that's okay. I'll have to get used to just looking at the camera, because obviously I like to look at myself. Who doesn't like to look at themselves, you know? A few things that I wanted to test before I conclude this video are the autofocus. I heard that this is really good on this camera, so putting my hand in it and wow. You guys see how fast it went back into focus? That's pretty cool. If I'm reviewing a product and I put it here, it'll take a little bit to get in focus, and then once I bring it back down, it focuses right away on my face. Okay, another thing, obviously I wanted to look at the zoom. So obviously you gotta do the big one. It zooms out to my full room and then zoom in and get all up in my grill. But I do like that. The battery is low right now, it's blinking red, so I'm gonna wrap this up. But the only thing that I can't really test right now or see is hear is my volume. So once I upload this video to my laptop, I'll be able to see if the volume is okay. I'm still going to get a mic just to be safe. Okay, so quickly, I just wanted to test how the camera is when I'm walking around the house. If I were to do a vlog, standing in front of the light, it's expected that this is a dark shot, but I can still clearly see my face, so it's not too bad. And obviously from this point, I look perfect. Or the video looks perfect. So, oh, okay, I don't like that. One thing that I've noticed several times is that the camera will go black, and I'm sitting here thinking that the battery died, but I literally just took it off the battery and it has a full charge, so I gotta look and see if people were complaining about that. But that is the third time I noticed it, and I've only been using the camera for about 20 or so minutes. So, final thoughts of the camera. Obviously, the camera is better quality than my iPhone 11. The video just looks crisp and clear, and I really like that. Next, the camera is so small, it's very tiny. In the videos, I know they said it's small, but it actually looks bigger in the reviews that I saw than what it looks like in person. So that's pro. It can fit in a lot of places. But this bag that I received is definitely too big for my camera. I do like that there's a flip screen, but the only con to that is I'm looking at my camera, which is obviously straight in front of me, but then the flip screen is to the right, so I'm looking at the flip screen because I want to see my face and how I look. So I'll just have to get adjusted to that. It's much better than having to look on my Apple Watch to see if I'm in the shot or not. So I do like that. And just like on your phone, it tells you how long you've been recording, and it has a red recording circle thing on the top. So that is another good thing. So it's easy to tell if you're recording or not. Which sometimes on my phone, I would be here talking to the camera and turn it around and find out that it wasn't even recording. So it's nice to have that indicator. And like I said before, I'll have to test out the volume, but I will only see that once I upload this video to my laptop. So we will cross our fingers that this is good enough to make the cut for my YouTube video. My mic is actually coming tomorrow. I got a notification today, so I'm excited about that. Another pro to this camera is the autofocus. Like I showed you before, if you put something in the screen and then take it away, it quickly refocuses to your face. And there's a box that follows your face around when you move your face, so that it shows you that it's really focusing on you, which I do like. I got this big bundle from Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box below, and it will also be in my Amazon shop, so you can click on those if you're interested in looking at the contents of the bundle that I received. If you enjoyed my first impression / unboxing of the Canon EOS M50, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps my channel out a lot. And click the subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified whenever I post. And also don't forget to follow me on social media. My name is Gabrielle Ishell on all platforms, so check me out there. I do post more frequently on Instagram. If you're interested in keeping up with me on a daily basis, you can follow me there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Oh, see, I'm so used to using my Apple Watch. I'm like I'm trying to click the stop recording button on here. Bye.